Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group represent about the application of physics and chemistry in our daily life. I want to ask you something. Did you know that physics and chemistry contribute a lot to our daily life? So, before presenting, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Imran bin SHA'ARI.
My name is SHA'ARI Abdul Rahim.
My name is Nadira Idris.
So, we would like to proceed to the first presenter. First and foremost, I will start my presentation in application of chemistry in sunscreen. Sunscreen combines organic and inorganic chemicals that can filter the light from entering the skin. It works like glass window, which not all the light can enter the skin, but some of it, not 100% of the light can enter the skin, but only some of the light that can penetrate into the skin. Sunscreen also contains zinc oxide and titanium oxide. Zinc oxide and titanium oxide are powdered mineral that sits on top on the skin when we apply the sunscreen. Zinc oxide and titanium oxide works as they can scatter or reflect the light from enter the skin. Okay, so we will proceed on how actually titanium oxide and zinc oxide works. Okay, so this is how the conventional sunscreen or traditional sunscreen works, and this is nowadays sunscreen. Conventional sunscreen, we can see the UV or the light can enter directly into the skin, but nowadays sunscreen, with the help of titanium oxide, we can see that the light are scattered and not all this light can enter the skin. In addition, actually the sunscreen does not work 100% on our skin. Instead of using sunscreen, we can wear thick clothes or do not expose too much in the light. Okay, when you are actually exposed too much in the sun, that is why you need to wear the sunscreen. Next, I will proceed to the next application of physics and chemistry in soaps and detergent. Soaps and detergent are emulsifying agent. Emulsifying agent, for the simple words, you can see that oil and water cannot mix together. With the help of emulsifying agent, the oil and water can mix together, so the oil and dirt can be easily removed with the water. Detergent and soaps are made in different ways. Detergent are made from petrochemicals, alkalines, and oxidizers. Petrochemicals such as plants and animals are derived from oleochemicals, which means that the fat from the animals or plants can be derived to petrochemicals. Petrochemicals can provide hydrocarbon chain to the water, so hydrocarbon chain can attract the carbon chain from the dirt or oil. Alkaline such as sulfur trioxide and sulfuric acid can provide positively charged ion. So when positively charged ion react with negatively charged ion from the dirt or the oil, positive and negative will react together. Then when we wash with water or we brush the clothes, it can be easily removed. Oxidizers such as can provide hydrophilic carbon chain. Hydrophilic, you can imagine like heat and the dirt are tail, and the heat and the tail can attract together, so it works just as the same as positive and negative. When we brush the hydrophilic and hydrophobic tail and heat, it can be easily removed. So are made from saponification. Saponification is the process of hydrolysis of fat. Hydrolysis, in another word, is added of water into the fat. So, as I said before, um, so words as emulsifying agent. Emulsifying agent can help the dirt to suspend in the water, so it can be easily removed. So that is all from me. I will proceed to the next presenter, which is Nur Atira Idris. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najram Idris. My website number is 187017. I am the second presenter. Before that, I'm going to say good evening to Miss Nisa Najira. So, since our group topics for the discussion today is about the application of physics and chemistry in our daily life, so I, the second presenter, will be presenting about the application of physics. So, I will start my presentation about credit cards. So, do you guys know, in our daily card that we use in our daily life, especially in our bank cards, there are a long black line behind the card. So, what is exactly the function of the black line behind the card? The black bold line is called a match strip cards. So, I will be explaining the actual physics concepts that contain in the match strip. So, match strip are used in a lot of different markets in modern day living. Some of the markets including financial service, travel and transportation, health insurance and education. So, within the specific markets, there are a kinds of variety type of match strip cards. As you can see, this includes our own bank cards, our top-up cards, credit or debit cards, including purchase transaction, and health card that store personal medical history. So, what is exactly a match strip card? If you look at your student ID or ATM cards, you will notice a narrow black lines or brown stripe on the back of it. So, essentially, the strip is very thin layer of magnetized material that has information stored in it. So, different type of magnetic material used on card have different coercivity. So, do you guys know what exactly a coercivity is? Coercivity is the measure of resistance of magnetic material to become unmagnetized. So, there are also a few laws behind the encoding magnetic strip. The laws show how magnetism that govern how current, voltage and magnetic field are related. So, in the end, there are few laws related to the match strip card, including electromagnetic induction, infrared law, Biot-Savart law, and Ohm's law. That show this law will show how magnetic strip is created. So that's all from me for explaining physics concepts that which when I make an example of credit cards. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I am going to talk about motorcycle and its contribution in our life. Okay, this is correspond to our group A, which is physics and chemistry. They are hubs in our life. Okay, the first thing about motorcycle is that it has been used since 1900s. It is used for various types of purposes, such as transportation, and also they are used to help bringing things. Okay. Statistics have proven that 58% of motorcycles located in Asia. This can be shown that most of Asians use motorcycles as their main transportation to do their daily courses. and most of the Malaysians use motorcycles to go to work and also to go to school and many things. There are lots of types of motorcycles. As I want to say is that one of the type of motorcycle is that touring bike and also sports bike, and also there are lots of types of motorcycles. Okay, the first points of my topic is that motorcycles being used as a transportation. Okay, motorcycles being used in our life as a transportation to go to work. Okay, some of the couriers in Malaysia, they prefer using motorcycles to deliver parcels. This is because they want to cut the time and they want to avoid traffic jam, and also it is faster to do things by using motorcycles as their size is very small compared to cars. Okay, besides that, contribution of motorcycles in our daily life is about their adaptation in machineries. Okay, most of the machineries in this world use the mechanism of motorcycles, such as engine. Lawnmowers use engines to generate power so that we can cut the grasses in the field. Okay, besides that, air filter have been used in motorcycles and it has been adapted to make air conditioner. Besides that, brakes. The mechanism of brakes have been used in drilling machines so that when people are using the drilling machines, they can protect themselves before getting hurt if something accident happen. Okay, last but not least is the chain. The chain have been used in various types of machineries, such as rock chainsaw. This is that the gears are connected by using the chain, and it will produce it will produce output that used to cut trees. Okay, the third point of my topic is that increment in economy. Okay, the business in making motorcycles been rapidly growing, that it can actually generate Malaysia economy. As we all know that Malaysia gain wealth by the revenue of our transportation business and also our oil and gas business. So that's why I said that motorcycle contributed mostly in our daily life. Okay, in my point of view, motorcycle is a very good choice to do our daily courses instead of a cars, because it is more friendly to our environment, and also it is cheaper than cars. So that's all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, science play a major role in our daily life day by day. The technology become more advanced, so we can improve our life with the help of physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. That is all from us. Thank you.